Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly align shape in Canva using this hack. So here I have two pages of elements and you can see the elements is now in random position and I want to align it, but instead of you do it one by one like this by dragging it one by one, you can just use this hack. So first, what you need to do is just select all of the elements in the page like this and right click, and here there will be this option space evenly. Now you can just click on tidy up, or you can also use alt plus shift plus T in on your keyboard. So let's click on that, and just like that it will be position evenly like this. So it works for every element. So let's try my second page in here. Just do the same steps, block, right click, and sorry, let's try again. Okay, block off the elements, right click, space evenly, then tidy up, just like that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.